we have skirting at the bottom of the ball, and this is 200 millimeters. Its overall dimension is 200 millimeters. You can easily take the Korean part off to reach the lighting fixture. This skirting comes with its own lighting fixture. You have to take this off before its wiring, and the back panel of the skirting is fixed together. The French clips and back panel and the top panel is fixed, and it's going to be labeled according to the views. So you will reach 1, 2, 3 parts of skirting which is below. Before fixing these panels, you have to